For decades, whispers of a hidden planetary body beyond Neptune have echoed through the corridors of alternative media. It goes by many names: Planet X, Nibiru, the Destroyer. But what if the legends were more than myth? What if something massive is approaching, and NASA knows? This is the story of Planet X, and the theory that humanity is being kept in the dark. The idea of a hidden planet dates back over a century. In the early 1900s, astronomers noticed strange perturbations in the orbits of Uranus and Neptune. Something was tugging at them, something large. Percival Lowell dubbed this unseen body Planet X. Later, Pluto was discovered, but it was far too small to account for the anomalies. Then came Zecharia Sitchin, a controversial author who claimed that ancient Sumerian tablets spoke of a rogue planet, Nibiru, that swings through our solar system every few thousand years. Mainstream science dismissed it as pseudoscience. But interest in Planet X never truly died. In 2016, two Caltech astronomers, Mike Brown and Konstantin Batygin, revived the mystery. They published evidence suggesting a massive, unseen planet is influencing the orbits of distant icy objects in the Kuiper Belt. This new Planet 9, they theorized, could be 5 to 10 times the mass of Earth, on a highly elliptical orbit that takes thousands of years to complete. Yet despite this bombshell, no visual confirmation has been made. No telescope has captured it, at least not publicly. According to some theorists, NASA knows more than it admits. Satellite data is tightly controlled. Infrared observations, especially from missions like IRAS and WISE, are censored or heavily redacted. In 1983, an article in the Washington Post briefly mentioned a mystery heavenly body found by IRAS before vanishing from follow-up reporting. NASA later claimed it was a misunderstanding, possibly a distant galaxy. But was it? Why are certain sky coordinates blacked out on public sky maps? Why are amateur astronomers reporting strange sightings, only to have their footage removed or discredited? Over the past decade, alleged whistleblowers have emerged from NASA, military observatories, and secretive defense programs. Some claim that a brown dwarf, or rogue planet, is inbound, currently obscured by the sun's glare. Others say entire government agencies exist to track it and suppress information about it. On forums and social media, amateur astronomers report odd celestial bodies near the sun, captured on infrared cameras, only to be labeled as lens flares or digital artifacts. But what if they're not? What if the reason we can't see Planet X is because we're not allowed to? The myth of Nibiru goes deeper than science. It reaches into prophecy. Sumerian texts describe a celestial body called Nibiru that brings great upheaval every time it passes. Is this the same object modern scientists are searching for? In biblical apocrypha, the Destroyer is said to appear in the skies before great tribulations. Egyptian records speak of the planet of crossing, bringing fire and chaos. Could this be evidence of past flybys of a massive planetary body? If so, is it returning? Why would governments hide the approach of such a planet? Panic. Markets crashing. Civil unrest. Mass migration from coastal cities if tidal forces increased. According to some, global powers have constructed underground cities and deep bunkers, not for nuclear war, but for a cosmic event. The alleged disclosure about aliens, the militarization of space, and even the growing surveillance of space weather, could it all be preparation for something much bigger? Something they're not telling us? We don't know for sure if Planet X exists. We don't know if it's Nibiru, or just a myth. But the strange behavior of celestial bodies, the ancient records, the odd silences from NASA, they make one thing clear. The mystery is real, and someone somewhere knows more than they're saying. The sky may not be falling, but it's worth watching.